to a campaign or a campaign scenario, we'll go to the Studio menu, then Campaigns. We'll select a campaign, here, Demo Campaign. We see that there's a playlist for the campaign, so we'll try adding a video here. Click on the blue Add button here. Click Add again. Import your video file. Select it from your computer. Let's say this one. Now we send it to the Disign library. We can close the window. We see the video here in the Disign library. Just click on the plus button. And we see the video has been added here. If we play it, we can see the video is playing. Don't forget to save and publish your campaign so it can be displayed on your screens.